So another brother gets killed by the police and nobody gives a fuck. I ain't gonna say nobody gives a fuck. The police don't give a fuck because they keep killing niggas non fucking stop. And they don't give a it doesn't matter like if even if they was doing some shit. Like you don't have to fucking kill niggas, man. I be seeing people, white people, run up on police all the time with choppers and all kind of fucking shit. Man, it's t-shirtkings247.com, man. You guys can subscribe to our channel. We about to make a Casey Goodson memorial t-shirt and talk that shit, man, because it's fucked up that niggas continue to get killed by police, man. And I don't give a fuck. The NBA is protesting and marching and have Black Lives Matter all on the back of their uniforms and shit. And that shit means absolutely fucking nothing. Nothing. It means nothing, man. Niggas just getting buried. Man, I seen his mother crying on the news and it was just fucking horrible, man. Horrible. Said the police was calling her bitches and all type of shit. It's just ignorant as fuck, man. And it is good police out here. I ain't gonna lie, man. Police be doing some brave shit, man. They go into the line of fire all the fucking time over shit they don't got nothing to fucking do with. And break shit up and save lives and do all of that shit. But man, you have to fucking tell on them motherfuckers who ain't right. Because you become guilty by association, man. It's just like all fucked up, man. And this bro from Columbus, man, we right here in Ohio. We in Dayton, Ohio. And man, shit, man, I got sons, 27, 22. The fucking police will kill him. You know, this bro didn't have no gun, but now it ain't no body camera. There's nothing to, corroborate the police account saying that he had a gun. So, man, the facts will come out in the case, and we looking to see if they found a gun that he was supposed to have had as the reason why they shot him. But we know for a fact that a nigga does not have to have a fucking gun in order to get popped by the police. This shit go down all the fucking time. Man, salute to Casey Goodson, man. Man, we love you, King. And sorry that shit happened. Hopefully something changes. And some, man, if your death can mean something for the world, then shit, man, you didn't die in vain, man. So if it please the Most High, something positive could come out of this shit. But t-shirtkings247.com, man. Subscribe to our channel. We make major shirts for people all over the country, and especially hot topics like this where police have killed another unarmed black man. All right, man. Peace and love. Peace and love. Yeah.